You and I had a chance to talk a little bit about what you did and your technique, a few little extra things that you did, which you see you removed cheek fat, the buccal fat.
Yeah, we liposuctioned the neck. We took the buccal fat, and a lot of times people think that they have jowls, but it's the buccal fat that falls down. And when we do a facelift, still they see this thing. So in her, in order to give her that triangular shape, I had to remove the buccal fat. A circular face is very difficult and very challenging to do a facelift on, and that's one of the reasons is that we have to remove some of the volume.
And lift in a vertical fashion, not pull back. That
Exactly.
lifting in this dimension, I think, also helped slenderize her face.
All right, so you heard the two plastic surgeons talking shop. Any questions? Because obviously this is still relatively new.
Yes.
So
And
do you have any questions?
everyone's like, oh my God, you look so young, you look so fresh, you look this, you look that. How long does it last?
Well,
Like, how much time do I have before it starts to fall?
You're good for the next few weeks. No, I'm just kidding.
it would take about 7 to 10 years before you go back to where you were a few months ago. In that sense, the result would last you forever because you always look better than if you never had done the procedure.
That's good
And that-
to know.
and
Because it doesn't stop aging. It's not as
Exactly.
though
Well, but-
you do the facelift and you stay there forever.
We
And
kinda
that's
put-
to the point that in this case you did more. You did a full extensive facelift where you're not just tightening the skin but the underlying layers as well. You used tissue glue, so-called Tisseal, to hold things down.
Is that the super glue you mentioned?
The super
That's the
glue.
super glue.
And
Crazy
all
glue.
those little things help to give that 7 to 10 year result. And you know, there's so many other options out there for the aging face. People are using threads, people are just relying on volume injections. Those techniques aren't going to last like this. So you have to make that decision if you're considering, I want my face to look younger. Yes, it's bigger surgery, it takes longer, but it's going to last longer.
Hey, if I did it, I can't even give blood. Like when I go to the hospital and they need to take my blood, I'm screaming like a baby. So if I did this, everybody can do this. Trust me.
Okay, I want to ask, last time you were on the show, and this is what I've been most interested in, you took your very first step in public.
Right.
Which was pretty cool to see.
Yes.
Where are you-
People cried.
Where are you at in your recovery now?
People all reached out to me and said, we watched the doctors and we were in tears. I, yesterday, walked 456 steps. With a walker, but still. And I just feel like if I had more of the weight off,
Well,
I
you
would
know
be
the
walking
expression,
easier.
one step at a time. And I
That's
mean,
it.
you're actually counting these steps.
Yes.
Good for you.
So I was thrilled with that. And my therapy is down to like an hour, 2-3 times a week. It was much better when I was living inside the therapy facility. So I'm trying to get back into one here in LA.
Well, keep up the great work with
Thank
regards
you.
to that.
I
We're
want to walk
excited.
out here the next time I come.
Is that let's look forward to that moment. And in the meantime, just really happy that you're happy. And Dr. Simoni, wonderful job.
Yes.
Thank you very
Really
much.
well done.
Amazing.